Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use color filters for accessibility customization. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to accessibility. Now go to color filters. Here you can see a list of color filters. You have to turn on this button if you want to use color filters. You can customize as you want. If you want keyboard shortcut for color filters, then turn on this button. And here you can customize your color. So this is how you can use color filters for accessibility customization. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.